What's up, guys? This is CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Maxbounty training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, building an email list with Facebook. What's up, guys? I'm excited to give y'all this content today. This video isn't going to be too long. It's a simple and easy process and procedure for you to be able to promote your Maxbounty offer by building an email list with Facebook. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy method to do this. This way you can implement this by, let's say, creating a new Facebook account and specifically adding people to your friends list that are in your niche. Say, for instance, they're in the make money online niche. You want to add only people on your new Facebook account that wants to make money online. That's just a brief example. But for people that need an email list right now, today, and are ready to start marketing and sending out, the best people to send it to are what? Your friends and family on Facebook. But you don't have the time to ask every individual person what is their name and email and how to obtain that, so you can be able to market to them. Because if you ask them for their email and you're like, oh, well, I'm going to start sending you products in your email that you might like, they're more than likely not going to give it to you. So I'm going to show you a simple, easy, quick fix method that'll generate you anywhere from 100 to over 5,000 emails in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to show you this, and it's super simple and super easy, and I'm ready and I'm excited to show you. Now, this is one of my Facebook accounts. This is my main Facebook account with families and friends. You know, it says CJ Prayer right here, right? And I have 1,265 friends, right? So I'm going to show you how I'm going to extract all of these emails, all 1,265 emails from this Facebook account within minutes. It doesn't take nothing. You don't have to have any software, no Chrome extension or anything like that. The only thing you need is to create yourself a Yahoo email account. Yes, that's right. Yahoo email account. And I'm going to show you how we do this right now, right? So this is what we're going to do. All right. We are inside Yahoo. And what you're going to do is you're going to come to, once you're inside Yahoo and you've created your account, we're going to come to where it says contacts, right? Most people don't know this, but today I'm going to show you so you can get started email marketing right now and putting products in front of people. So after you log inside your Yahoo account, you're going to go to the contact section. All right, once you're in the contact section, you're going to come over here and you're going to click on the little contact book. I'm going to click on the contact book right here. No, that's the notepad. I'm sorry. Click on the contact book. All right, once you're inside your contact listing, as you see right now, so far I have over 7,204 contacts in my Yahoo account right now. And as you see right here on the left-hand side, these are all valid contacts from Facebook, from different Facebook accounts, right? So I'm going to show you. It's simple as easy. Simple and easy. Most people don't know this inside Yahoo, but this can save you a lot of time, and this can really help you jumpstart your CPA marketing right now so you can start going out there and implementing this email marketing strategy. So after you do that, you're going to go import contacts. And the beautiful thing about Yahoo, they have this section right here. Facebook, you see this? Import new. It connects to your Facebook, and it extracts all of your friends' information directly to your account. Connect it. And once it connects, it'll automatically start drawing. I'm sorry, y'all. Gotta log back into the account. All right. Once you connect it to Yahoo, it'll automatically start exporting all of your contacts from Facebook. So we're going to watch this live and watch those. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so it's imported, right? So now I have a total of 7,393 contacts. It just added those contacts from my Facebook account. And it's that simple. It's super, and it's an easy process. And I'm going to show you also how you go about extracting these without having to worry about printing them out or anything like that. So the easiest way to extract all of these contacts and being able to put them on a PDF file or anything like that, or a notepad, is that you come to print all and you put basic and you go to print. And this little window in the background is going to pop up. It's going to be print preview. I'm going to give it some time to load. And boom, there it is right there. It's right there. So all you have to do is Control A, Control C, come down here, create a new document. Boom. Over 7,000 emails right here. Ready to go. Ready to start marketing to. Fast, easy process to where you can start making anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks a day just by marketing to your friends, guys. This is something easy, fast, and quick. I hope you enjoyed this content. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. This is Maxbounty Training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, email marketing with Facebook. I'm out, y'all.